The case of Dr. Rizwan Ahmed Iqbal has prompted a new and unique judgment by the Lahore High Court. The case is about the 39 years contribution and services to the medical domain of Punjab and the ultimate or subsequent retirement. What challenge was faced by Dr. Rizwan Ahmed Iqbal and what prompted such judgment by the Lahore High Court accordingly? Let's discuss that. In 1986, when he was appointed on the basis of ad hoc appointments or requirements, and his employment was not converted permanently under the Governmental Employship Act, and therefore only the Provident Fund and the relevant incentives would be awarded to him, but pensionary benefits in this regard would be exempted. This refusal of pensionary benefits from the Pakistan Council of Medical Sciences came in 2022 in a letter to Dr. Rizwan Ahmed Iqbal, and the same letter became an evidence and a testament or a tool to plea at the Lahore High Court his case. Justice Lahore High Court had said that this was based on the lapse of the administrative authorities of the department, that they had not converted the employment into a permanent contract or into the permanent employship of Dr. Rizwan Ahmed Iqbal. So on one hand, his appointment in 1986 was on ad hoc basis. On the other hand, he has a record of 39 years of contributions and services. And most importantly, he was also promoted till BPS 19 ranks, and this Lahore High Court ordered Pakistan Council of Medical Sciences to immediately release the pensionary benefits and funds of Dr. Rizwan Ahmed Iqbal, keeping in view his relentless and untiring contributions and services to the department. And it also needs to be recognized and realized here that this was a unique and an unprecedented judgment of Lahore High Court, being a high court of province and ordering a department that comes directly under the federal jurisdiction.